Do you have this issue where Facebook Marketplace isn't working or isn't showing up in your Facebook mobile app? Well, in this video, I'll show you a couple of solutions for this problem, so make sure you follow along. The first and most basic fix is that the Marketplace option might simply be hidden from your tab bar, and we can make it appear by opening our Facebook settings. So I'm currently in my Facebook mobile app. I'll tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left, then expand the Settings and Privacy section and tap on Settings. From this list, we're looking for the option called Tab Bar. The next step is to tap on Customize the Bar, and you'll be able to see all the different options that you can show or hide from your tab bar at the bottom. As you can see, for me, the Marketplace option is hidden, so I'll change this to Auto. After that, restart your Facebook app, and the Marketplace should appear at the bottom. Another thing you can do is update the Facebook app from the Google Play Store or the App Store if it's not already updated to the latest version. In some cases, the feature might not work properly on older versions, or it may not have fully rolled out yet in your region. So try updating the app and see if the Marketplace option appears. The last fix I have is to go over to the Help Center in the app. You can do that by tapping the three horizontal lines again, expanding the Help and Support section, and then tapping on Support. Here, you can use the search bar to type in Marketplace, and it will show you a few helpful articles. I'll open the article called Who Can Use Marketplace, where you can read the requirements. For example, you usually need to be at least 18 years old, live in a country where Facebook Marketplace is available, and meet a few other conditions. So go through these requirements and check if you meet all of them. If you do and Marketplace still isn't available, you can try contacting Facebook support to see if they can help fix the issue. If any of these steps worked for you, leave a comment down below and let me know which one fixed your problem. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.